Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today is Wednesday 9 December 2020 and subject is math. Topic is biometric exercise 5D. Page number 115 and question number 4 and 6. Students, first of all, I will explain you what is volume and capacity. First of all, I will give you the introduction of volume and capacity. First of all, see what is volume. We measure volume in units like cups, pints, carts, or gallons. And students, these graduated cylinders are all tools we use to measure volume. Students, what are volume and capacity? Look at these bottles. Each bottle holds 2 liters of a liquid. So we see that all the bottles have a common property. This property is the amount of space they have for holding a liquid. This space is called capacity. So we can say that all these bottles have the same capacity. Students, the standard units of volume are liters and milliliters. So liter is a larger unit of measuring capacity. You can see in this picture oil can and bucket. These are larger units. Milliliter is a smaller unit of measuring capacity. You can see the juice bottle, medicine bottle and perfume bottle. 1 liter is equals 1000 milliliter. Student, do you know that 1 drop of water make up 1 milliliter? So that means about 1000 drops of water make up 1 liter. Students, this bottle holds 1 liter of water. The standard units of volume are liter and milliliter. For example, oil, juices, water, milk and petrol are measured in liters. You can see in this picture a glass of water, a glass of juice and a glass of milk. These are measured in liters. But students, do you know that liquid medicines are measured in milliliters? You can see here that cough syrup is of 50 ml and eye drops of 20 ml. Students, do you know why medicines are measured in milliliter? It is because we only need to take a small amount of medicines. Students, how do you measure volume? Look at where the bottom of the curve lines up with the numbers on the measuring cup. You can see here. Student, these numbers shows the volume. Students, remember these important points that 1 liter is equals 1000 milliliter and 1 by 2 liter is equals 500 milliliter and 1 by 4 liter is equals 250 milliliter and 3 by 4 liter is equals 750 milliliter. Now let's see what are these liters and milliliter. First of all, we will see what is liter, 1 liter. Students, do you know that one glass of water, one common glass of water holds 250 ml. So if we take 4 glasses of water, so it will become 1000 milliliter. And 1000 milliliter is equals, as you know that 1000 milliliter is equals 1 milliliter, 1 liter. Okay. So if we take 4 glasses of water of 250 ml, it will become 1 liter. Okay students, 1 by 4 liter is equals 250 milliliters. So now I will take this glass of water and I will pour it into this measuring glass. So this is 250 ml. So students, here you can measure 250 ml. Okay, this is 1 glass of water as I poured in front of you. Now students, if I take 2 glasses of water, 250 plus 250 is equals 500 ml. Okay, so it will become 1 by 2 part. So students, now again I will pour 250 ml glass of water to make it 1 by 2. Students, you can measure in this measuring jug. First of all, I take 250 gram of 250 ml water, and then when I add it 2 glasses of water, it become 500, and 500 ml is equals to 1 by 2 liter. Now this is the half of liter. Now it becomes the half of liter. Okay, because 1 liter is equals 1000. So what is the half of 1000? 500 ml. You can see here. So now it became the half of the liter. Okay, so this is 1 by 2 liter. Students, and now I again fill the glass of water, you can see here, and I will pour it into this container. Okay, and the three glasses of water will make 750 milliliter. Okay, so it is equals to 3 by 4 liter. Again I will take this glass and students, you can see it becomes 750 ml. Okay, 3 by 4 liter is equals 750 ml. So now this is the third part. So now to make it a liter, I will again pour one more glass to make it liter. Again I will fill this glass of water, and this is the fourth glass of 250 ml. So I will pour it into this container. Okay students, now you can see 1000 ml. So it becomes 1 liter. So this container, you can see here this number 1000 milliliter, so it becomes 1 liter. So students, I hope you understand this liter and milliliter with the help of this container. Okay students, for addition questions, remember thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. It is easy to add with liter and milliliter if we remember that 1 liter is equals 1000 milliliter. Student, now look at this question number 4. Complete this liter and milliliter. So first of all we will try to add it. These are simple addition questions, so we will start from our right side. 5 and 5 is equals 10. So as I told you that we will choose the right digit. So we will choose 0 because 0 is in the right side. So 0 will come here, and 9 and 6 15, and 1 carry over there, and it will become 16. So again we will write 6 over here, and we will 1 carry over the next number. So student, then 6 and 2, how many? Just count on your fingers. 6 and 2 8, 8 and 1 9, and 4 and 2 is equals 6. Okay students, move to the next question. 5 plus 2 is equals 7, and 8 and 4, how many? Just count on your fingers. 12. So 2 will come over here, and the 2 is the right digit, we will write it here, and 1 will move on the next side. 9 and 1 10. Again 0 will come here because 0 is the right digit, and 1 will move on this side. 3 and 3 6, 6 and 1 7. Student, in this way you will complete these next two addition questions, okay, by yourself. Now let's move to the subtraction questions. So just the part B. 3 minus 5. We cannot subtract 5 out of 3 because 3 is smaller digit, so we will take carry from this number. This number is also very small. The lower number is greater. So students, we will take carry from the next number, but the lower number of this is also very big, so we cannot take carry from this number. So simply we will take carry from this side. It will left 6. It will become 11. First of all, it will become 11. And when we will take carry, it will left 10. It will become 10. And then we will take carry from this side. So it will left 9, and it will become 13. 13 minus 5 is equals 8. 9 minus 6, how many? 3. and 10 minus 5 is equals 5, and 6 minus 2 is equals 4. Okay, student, before doing any question, any subtraction, will just write all of these, just arrange these numbers. First you can see 5 minus 5, we can subtract it. 5 minus 5, 0, and 8 minus 9, we cannot subtract 9 out of 8 because it is smaller number, so we will take carry from this number. It will left 3 and it will become 18. 18 minus 9, how many? Count on your fingers. Yes, 9. And 3 minus 3 is equals 0. And again 8 minus 9, we cannot subtract 9 out of 8, so we will take carry from this number. It will left 0 over here and it will become 18. 18 minus 9, again as we have done here, 9. So this is our answer. So students, in the same way we will do the next question. 6 minus 7, we cannot subtract because 6 is smaller number and the lower number is greater. We will take carry from this number, but this number is also 2 and minus 2, so we will take carry from the other number. So it will left, we will take carry, it will left 8, it will become 12. When we will take carry from this number, it will left 11 and it will become 16. 16 minus 7, how many? Just count on your finger. 9, yes. And 11 minus 2, 9. Then students, 8 minus 8 is equals 0 and 7 minus 5 is equals 2. So these are our questions. Students, I have left some questions because I want you have to try it on your books. So you will complete the remaining questions, C and D part. You will write it by yourself, okay, so that you can understand these questions very well. So that's why I leave these 2 questions. You will do practice of these 2 questions of addition and a part of question number 6. Okay, this is also your homework. Do it on your book. I hope you can understand now about liter and milliliter. You try liter and milliliter at your home. You can see some bottles and you can see some medicines. They are written milliliters on the medicines, and just on some bottles you can see the liters, like your bottle of shampoo, bottle of milk, okay, bottle of juices, you can see. And I hope you understand it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.